Hello, welcome to the Marcus Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to discuss a hacker that saved the internet. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So Marcus Hutchins, right, a British cybersecurity researcher, gained worldwide recognition for his role in stopping the WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017. Now, here is how he saved the internet, right? So the WannaCry attack was a massive cyber attack that infected computers around the world, locking users out of their systems and demanding ransom payments to regain access. The malware spread rapidly, affecting hospitals, companies, and government systems across the globe. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this video so far, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. So Hutchins Discovery, right? While analyzing the WannaCry code from his bedroom, Hutchins discovered that the malware was connected to an unregistered domain name. This domain appeared to be part of a command and control structure common in botnets. Now, he noticed a kill switch, right? Hutchins, right, took a crucial step that ultimately halted the attack. He quickly registered the domain name. He set up servers to act as honeypots, allowing him to track infected computers. By registering the domain, Hutchins inadvertently activated a kill switch within the WannaCry code. This action effectively stopped the malware from executing further, right? Preventing it from spreading to more systems. Okay, so it was making its rounds around the world, but you know, Marcus Hutchins, you know, Superman came in and saved the day. So Hutchins' quick thinking and action saved countless organizations from falling victim to the ransomware. He worked, you know, his work basically, right? It was highly praised, and he gained, celebrity status within the cybersecurity community. The incident highlighted the importance of individual researchers in combating large-scale cyber threats. Now, the hack happened, right? It happened. He fixed it. Whatever he did. Now, what are the lessons learned? The WannaCry incident and Hutchins' role in stopping it taught very important lessons, right? So there is a huge power of curiosity and technical skills in cybersecurity, right? The importance of also the importance of quick action in the face of cyber threats, the potential for individuals to make a significant impact in protecting global digital infrastructure, right? Marcus Hutchins' story serves as a reminder of the critical role that ethical hackers and cybersecurity researchers play in defending against major cyber threats and protecting the internet at large. So there is a theory as far as the kill switch, right? That is, there are two huge main theories about why the WannaCry developers included the kill switch. Number one is the sandbox detection, right? It may have been intended to check if the malware was running in a security sandbox environment. There is the self-termination, right? Some speculate it was deliberate self-termination mechanism. Through the exact reasons as far as why they included a kill switch is unclear at this point. So but there is a no kill switch WannaCry variant, right? One of the reasons why this one doesn't have a kill switch is, again, it's a variant. They want to evade detection, right? By removing the kill switch, these variants aim to bypass the mechanism that stopped the original WannaCry from spreading, right? This allowed the new versions to potentially infect more systems, right? There's the to continue the attack. With the original kill switch activated, new variants without this feature could continue to spread and infect computers even after the initial wave was halted. There is the theory of exploit unpatched systems, right? Many systems remain vulnerable to the eternal blue exploit used by WannaCry. Variants without the kill switch could still target these unpatched computers, right? And then there's capitalize on the original attack. Some of these new variants were likely created by opportunistic attackers trying to take advantage of the widespread panic and attention caused by the initial WannaCry outbreak. And then they want to demonstrate persistence, right? The emergence of kill switch free variants showed that the threat was ongoing and adaptable despite efforts to contain it, right? Okay, so that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment right now. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Again, if you like this video, if you appreciate the information, if you want more content like this, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Also, get in the comment section. Let me know your opinion. I want to know how we can stop these attacks. Let me know what you think about this. So stay safe. I appreciate your viewership. See you in the next video.